So now let's see how we can generate random dates inside of Google Sheets. So in order to generate random dates, first of all, let's define out the date range of where random dates need to be generated from. So I'm going to go around over here and then I'm going to generate some random dates. So first of all, let's say I want to generate dates from between Jan 1st, 2020 to December 31st, 2021. So I'm going to go around and type in the number 01 and 01 and then 2020 right here, just like this. And you can see that this is the date format which I already applied, but I'm going to go around into format, into number, into more format right here, and then I'm going to go to more date and time format right here. So I'm going to select, let's say, this one right here. I don't want anything like at or anything, so I'm just going to remove out the AM, the second, the minute right here, the hour. I just want the month, and I don't want the at anything. I just want the year and the date right here. So let's press apply. So once you do that, you can see that this is what you have, and then I'm going to copy and paste this. And the other data I want is, let's say, from 31st right here, and this is going to be 12 right there. So I guess this is the first one is the month right here, and then this is the date. So there you go. So I'm just going to copy and paste out the format right here, paste format only, and now you can see it says December 31, 2020 right here. So that's it. I want till 2021 because that is the date range I want, not 2020. So 2021, just like this. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the number value of these so that it's easier for me to convert it into dates. So I'm going to copy this and I'm just going to paste it out for reference, and then I'm going to go around over here and then I'm going to change it into number format. So I'm going to go around into format, into number, and I'm going to say number right here, and these are the number values as you can see right here. So now I need to give the random data these number values so that it converts that into date. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to press equals right here, and then I'm going to go around and then I'm going to type ran between, just like this, and then I'm going to go around and then open out the bracket and then choose the lower value. So I'm going to say 43,831, and then the higher value right there, that is 44,561, just like this, and press enter. Then this is what you have. So you can drag it down and the random value in between that range opens like that gets generated. And now all you need to do is go on to this date right here, copy out, right click, just like this. I'm just going to go around, right click, paste special, and paste format only. So what that does is it converts everything into dates, as you can see, and all the dates are between 2020 to 2021. We can now delete out these datas, and all the data randomly keeps on regenerating right here, as you can see. As you let's say, for example, press enter right here, make some changes, everything will be regenerated right here. So in order to stop that, let me just copy this out right here, and then I'm going to go to paste special, paste values only, and now they have been converted into actual dates, as you can see, and they are all in between January 2020 to December 2021, as you can see right here. And that is how you can generate random dates inside of Google Sheets. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.